Before we start this video, make sure you subscribe to our channel
and hit that notification bell
so you will be notified in all the videos we post.
Don't forget to like and share. Today we're going to be making
Our mom's famous butter cake. This is the mixer we're going to be using. So there are 3 mixer utensils. My mom uses this tool the most, so we're going to attach that one in there. And this lid thing, you can pour the things in and it won't fall out, so that's handy. This mixer is really strong. And when it comes to the pressure of it, there's a max of 6. Oopsies. So we're going to be making a 1 kilogram cake. So I have measured 250 grams of butter and 250 grams of eggs. And I'm going to measure 250 sugar and 250 flour, mix it all up, crack the egg.
Ooh, me. Now it's my turn.
That's a runny egg. Good job.
So we measured the flour, now we're going to put the baking powder in.
Yeah, we are. So now we're gonna add the baking powder. So we're gonna add 10 grams of that. 10 grams of that, and then it's gonna equal with the flour to 50 grams. So we measured everything. So we're gonna say goodbye to the scale.
Bye-bye scale.
Bye scale. So now we're straining the flour and baking powder. And just so you know, we did wash our hands before we started this activity. So yeah, we're just gonna keep on doing this. My sister's gonna be adding the butter. Oh, that one. And the sugar. Add the sugar.
Oh, the whole thing?
Yep. So the butter tastes good. Now we're going to number 2. We're going to be mixing the butter and the sugar gradually, and we're gonna make the speed higher until the butter and the sugar mix well. Egg yolk at a time. So start off. Okay. Now we're gonna mix until it looks like the egg is a part of the mixture, and then I'm gonna add. Oopsies. Ooh, looks easy. Okay, I'm gonna add the second. There we go.
See that?
Time to mix. How does it look?
It looks delicious. Already.
Wow. My sister's drinking chocolate milk while I'm putting the last egg. I love this. Okay, it's very oozy. I'm excited to mix that last egg.
Everything's starting to turn kind of yellow and then turn green.
Oh, I keep on forgetting to do that. Oh my god, it's so yummy. And then increase it a little bit. Oh my god, it smells like
God!
it looks like cake batter for sure. Let's just dance now. Now I'm going to put Coca-Cola. Just kidding, Welena. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. So we mixed the ingredients, and now we're going to add the flour. Are you excited?
Yeah. 1 whole spoon.
I thought you were gonna add the whole bowl.
No, I don't think so.
Baking powder too. Just add the whole thing like that. It's gonna be easier.
No.
It would take forever to do that. Come on. Let me hold it quicker for you then. Here.
So first we're gonna be putting it lower to 1.
So we're gonna be mixing the last.
And then after it
We're gonna be
mixes,
speeding it up one by one.
after it mixes out.
It looks like dough.
Yeah, like pizza dough.
It looks so good. Okay, so while my sister is mixing the batter, I'm going to be preheating the oven to 350, and also I papered the pan, and I added some butter so it won't stick. And after my sister is done, we're gonna add it into the
Last minute of beating, and it looks really smooth.
So it's 10:02, so at 10:03 we're done beating.
I am excited.
I'm excited to taste it at the end.
Yeah, I hope it tastes really yummy. So I'm getting all the batter out of the.
I'm gonna scoop it in. Let me show you, sis.
I don't know. I'm just.
Oh, on that. Okay. Yeah, there's another side to it. So the other side too.
Okay.
It looks so good. So right now we're gonna add the batter onto the pan. I'm gonna do half of it. She's gonna do half of it. So yeah.
So it's my turn, and I'm putting the batter.
We're gonna jiggle it to make it even. So don't worry about
I think.
that it's not even enough. We also see it's kind of stacking up for some reason. But it looks good. So we just get scoop it all out. So now it's time to make the cake even.
Wow, it's gonna get really smooth.
This cake batter looks so good. Smooth it all out. Now we level the cake. So this is something my mom does. I really don't know why. She grabs the cake and then like flattens it so it gets flattened. So I'm just gonna do that before I put it in the oven. Mom's gonna put the cake inside the oven because the oven is too hot. So bye-bye oven. Okay, let's close it up.
So we're gonna be putting the timer, and I'm gonna be pressing this.
On for 40 minutes. I'm also going to put the light on so we can see the cake. So while your cake is baking, make sure you go check out our other videos.
Wow.
Our other.
OMG, it's coming up.
Look at how big it is. And
Yeah.
5, 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys!
So our mom is going to take out the cake. Oh my gosh, it looks so pretty.
Wow.
Look at this magnificent cake. We're gonna let this cake cool down. We're gonna cut this and taste test. Woohoo! It's finally ready. After 40 minutes of hard work, more than 40 minutes, we got a beautiful cake. I'm gonna cut the cake and taste it.
Where should I start?
Ta-da! This is our butter cake. It smells really good. So I'm gonna try it. Let's try it. I'm gonna pick this.
They look really good. I'm gonna pick the middle.
Okay. So 3, 2, 1. That's really good.
That's so good.
I would definitely recommend. Make sure you subscribe to our channel
And hit that notification.
so you will be notified when those posts. Like and
and
share. But bye.